Good morning, YouTubers. This is me, Aditya HBK from aditya.com, and today I'm going to be showing you off how to install WordPress on a custom domain. So, what do you require for that? You require the WordPress to be downloaded, the wordpress.org/video. You can just download it from there, and you need to download it. So, you need to install FileZilla. FileZilla is a FTP client, a file transfer protocol. Now, what does FileZilla do is used to transfer your files from your computer into your web server. Now, you need to log on to your cPanel website, whatever cPanel you have. I have the ZNet India as I have my web server. You need to get to your web server cPanel. So, how do you get started? First, you need to download the WordPress by clicking over here, this button, and once you are done, you will have a file like this. You have to get it or open it and then extract it to your desktop or just a safe place. Next, you just have to open it and get to the WP config sample. Now to rename it as WP config, and then you have to start I'll just open it with Notepad. Okay, now the next thing, you have to just fill up all these things. Don't worry, I'll just help you out. Okay, so now you just have to get to your cPanel. Just go to your cPanel and then just find something like MySQL database. Just click this option and then create a database. Now we just have to enter a random name. I'll just enter word. Now on every server the database usually looks different, the screen really looks different, but it's one and the same. You just have to get to the SQL and this is create a database, and it's one and the same thing, so you don't really need to worry about. Now I'll just create a database, and now we need to add a user to the database, and just add my username and then my password. Okay, the password. Once you're done, just create a user. So the user, the current user uses the database for Word. So let's add the current user, all privileges. This means that you are giving the user all the rights to the server. You're given the user Aditya TC Adi all the rights to do whatever the server needs, whatever he needs to do in the database. Now you just have to copy these values over to this place. This is the name, this is the database name. Now you have to enter the username of the current user. So you just have to copy it over here. And then you have to just enter the password. I'll just enter my password. That's it. Now you just have to save it. Close this thing off. And then you just have to use FileZilla. Just open FileZilla. Now the next thing you have to do is to copy all these into your server. You just have to connect your server. When you just installing FileZilla is really simple. You just have to click it and it does everything for you. So now you just have to go open the FileZilla. So go over here. You have to add your website. Like I have added my website. The host name is as my website, username, and the password of my website. You just have to whenever you make for whatever server you make a website, it gives you all this information. You just have to use it. Just connect it. So I'm over here and I have to go to this thing. Now this is my root directory. I just have to copy all these files over to here. That's it. I'll just be pausing the video until all these files have been copied and just resume it once I'm done. Well, it's done. Everything has been copied over the thing. Now what you need to do is get to the server. You can't really install like this. Then you have to install wp-admin it will be -admin.install.php. and then enter the site title. My site is called audio technoflux. Site audio ready. My username is Adi. That's my username. My password, and my email ID is at site should appear. So you just have to log in. That's it. You have successfully installed WordPress on your website. That's it. Hopefully you do enjoy my video tutorial, and it was really easy to do that. Manual install WordPress on your website. And if you have any problems, any questions regarding this, you can just leave me a comment below. Please like my page on Facebook and Twitter, and please visit my website. That's adityaT.com. I'll leave a link below.